Hello and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm here to provide you with guidance, answers, and a way forward in order for you to be happy in your relationship and in your life. And today I'm answering the comments from a viewer who asked me about confidence in relationship, mainly how to be confident in relationships. And from reading this person's story, it became evident that they have gone through a lot and that they perhaps keep attracting the wrong type of person into their lives. And as a result, it's very easy to see how they would lose confidence in what they have to offer. And that basically manifests itself in the belief that their relationship will fail. I've coached so many people along the way, the past few years, that seem to not feel worthy to be in healthy relationships, or seem to feel like they don't have what it takes. And their expectations is that they're gonna mess up along the way, or that they're gonna be left behind or dumped by their significant other, or attract the wrong type of person. And what do you know? It tends to happen to them. It tends to just keep happening to them because that's what their expectation is. And so I wanted to do a video to address this topic of what to do to make sure that you regain confidence in your relationship. First and foremost, it's important for you to understand that this story that you keep telling yourself is just that. It's a story. You are, in essence, conditioning yourself and your mind to believe something that isn't true. Just because you've been in a few bad relationships doesn't mean that you're not worthy, or doesn't mean that with the right partner or circumstances, you can't find your happiness in love. And so the first step is to identify this story that you keep telling yourself about yourself. That voice in your head that keeps telling you that you're not good enough, that it's gonna fail, because that you're gonna make a mistake. You need to basically identify that voice, hear it in real time, and distance yourself from it so that you don't become a victim of your own making. We all have fears. We all have insecurities, but they don't have to consume you. They are not you. And this emotional baggage that you've picked up along the way, whether it be in your childhood or in a relationship that you had with a family member or with friends along the way, does not have to define your life. It does not. And I urge you to attack each and every day with purpose, with intent. Seek to stretch your comfort zone. Seek to redefine yourself through meeting new people who don't know you, who don't know your baggage, or the baggage that you feel that you are carrying with you. And in doing so, try to focus only on the good, on the positive aspects of what these people have to offer. You're looking for their quality traits and the beauty in them. And in essence, I want you to forget yourself. I want you to try to connect with other people, trying to identify what these other people may be interested in, what makes them tick, and trying to relate. Try to forget yourself while putting yourself out there. And you'll see that very quickly you will find yourself being around people that love you for all that you are, because you will genuinely be interested in the things that they have to share and the things that they have to offer. And I have seen time and time again people regain confidence and establish healthy relationships through basically friendships that will then translate to healthy and fulfilling love relationships down the road. Don't focus on trying to find the one. Focus on trying to make new friends. Focus on trying to connect with people that accept you for all that you are. And you will see that before you know it, you're in a positive dynamic. And you will attract the right type of people to you. And we are here to help. This is what we do. Love Advice TV, we are a team of coaches dedicated to helping you fix your love issues, no matter what they are. We've done relationship healing and helping people get back together for many years. And now we've extended our scope to help people maintain stable, healthy relationships, to help people fight off their insecurities and heal from traumas from their past in order to find happiness and love. This is what we love to do, and we'd love to be able to be of service and to work with you too. So share your story. Tell me what it is that you are struggling with. Tell me how we can be of help to you, and leave your comments in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, like it, give me a thumbs up. And as always, I thank you for giving us purpose and for tuning in. Take good care, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon.